Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Cinco de Mayo. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, guys, and it also happens to be Cinco de Mayo. So today I'm going to show you how I make my two favorite Mexican dishes, which are nachos and street corn. So if you're interested in learning these two recipes, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so first you want to start off by baking your corn in the oven for about 45 minutes. Now we're just simply cooking our ground beef. I've added some onions, some minced garlic. I'm adding a little bit more onion, and I'm just gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna set it to the side so that I can add it to my nachos shortly. You do not need too much seasoning for your ground beef because we're gonna add our taco seasoning. So we don't wanna make it too salty, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started on our nachos. The first thing you want to do is coat the bottom of your pans, whichever pan you decide to use. You can use a sheet pan, oven pan, whatever the case might be. And we are going to go ahead and coat the bottom with our nachos. So I am making two different types of nachos tonight. I'm gonna make plain nachos for my non-meat eaters, and I am making the other set of nachos with ground beef. All the fixings that I have on the side are red onions, olives, cilantros, tomatoes, and jalapeno peppers. So we're just gonna go right in with our nacho and taco cheese blend. This brand is Sergento. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle our cheese all over our nachos. So we're gonna start with the first pan. Gonna move right on to the second pan. And sprinkle your cheese based on your desire. Okay guys, now we're gonna get started with our toppings. So we're adding our tomatoes first, and we are gonna layer everything. So once we add everything, then we'll go ahead and add our nachos and do it all over again. So now I'm going in with my red onions. Gonna add those to both pans. Going in with my jalapeno peppers. My olives are next. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add my ground beef to one of my pans. Remember, I'm only making one of my pans with my ground beef tonight. So our ground beef has our taco seasoning added. It's fully cooked. We're going to go ahead and add that to our pan. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the second layer. So I'm going to just do the same thing all over again. Add my nachos and then all of my toppings on top. Alright, now once all of our toppings have been added, we are going to go right ahead and pop these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so our corn has been in the oven for about 45 minutes, and now I'm going to show you how we add our garnishes. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my mayo, and I'm going to rub it into each of my pieces of corn. Okay, and now we're going to go in with our sour cream, and we are going to spread our sour cream on each of our corn like the mayo. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and add our cajita cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it right over our mayo and sour cream mixture. Alrighty, and now we're going to sprinkle on our red chili powder. Lastly, we're going to add our cilantro to garnish on top of our corn.